Next class we are going to see about that in amphibia. It is a class. Amphibia example we have to see means frog is the example. You have to keep in mind frog வச்சிட்டு அதோட character பாருங்க. It is a tetrapod. Tetrapod means four legs. Here on which it started tetrapod. Then it is a aquatic as well as terrestrial habitat, both on which it is able to live. That is the second one. Third point is phyclothermic temperature. It is changed according to the outside environment temperature. Body is divided into head and trunk only. Tail is absent here, and in a primitive animal of the amphibians only it is present in a tail. Salamander likewise. Okay, the next one is skin is a smooth, moist and pigmented and glandular. You see that in a skin of the disc. And eyes have eyelids. Eyelids are present here. And tympanum is a ear present. Sixth point. Seventh point is the respiration is a gills, lungs and skin. So it is all those things we have studied from that in a 7th standard likewise. So that only I go through as in a very fast manner. Then heart is a 3-chambered heart. Okay, 3-chambered heart, how it is present means upper 2 auricles present. Okay, 2 auricles present, but lower it is having that in a only one. Okay, only one chamber only, that is a 3-chambered heart. Kidneys are mesonephric means second moderate it is, moderate type it is, second type moderate it is, and sexes are separate, fertilization is external. This is the 10th point for you. 11th point is oviparous. Ova means give leg egg, that is keep in mind. Ova means leg egg. Okay, and indirect development, hibernation and estivation present. Hibernation is a winter sleep. Estivation is for moving from the one place to another place for in a summer. Okay, for leg egg. Okay, that is estivation. The next one is a example you have to see for in amphibians: frog, toad, salamander. I said it is having in a tail, likewise in a lizard, but it's not a lizard, it is in a frog variety. And it is look like that in a tail. Reptilia, that is in a snake like that structure. Okay, but this is also primitive only. Okay ma. The next one is reptilia. Reptilia is the example you have to see that an example means cobra, flying lizard, and crocodile, chameleon, and turtle, tortoise versus it is given. This also you have to study. Okay, reptilia you have to see means that is body is covered with a dry, it is a full and full terrestrial, dry and corny skin, and epidermis, scales also present, and or it is in a scoots, it's present. Okay, 3-chambered heart. 3-chambered heart means it's likewise in a 3-chamber, and 4-chamber also there. 4-chamber means you know that is ventricles also divided into 2, that is a 4-chamber. And phyclothermic in nature, that is a cold blood amniotes, that is we mentioned. Then cleoidic eggs. Cleoidic eggs means eggs covered with a shell. Okay, egg மேலே ஓடு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is a cleidoic. If it is not having means that is a non-cleidoic, that is. Okay, excretion பார்த்தோன்னா metanephric kidney only, sexes is separate, and external fertilization oviparasitis. Okay, the next one is aves. Aves example you have to see means all the birds it is coming under that in a aves. Okay ma. So feathers it is covered, it is flying mode, so except flighting birds, that is the first point. Second point, 4 limbs are modified into wings. Yes. Then third one is skins is dry, it having in a gland, oil gland or preen gland. It is having in a gland, we know that in a preen gland and oil gland, skin having this gland. And fourth one is exoskeleton. Derivatives, what are the derivatives is there means feathers, scales, claws, legs and peaks also present. And bone is a pneumatic bone. This is also asked in a 2 mark. 2 mark it is asked. Why it is asked means it is what is the bone? Pneumatic bone. Pneumatic bone means bone having that in a hollow and is filled with air. That is only pneumatic bone. P is a silent here. You have to pronounce as a pneumatic bone. And pectoral muscles is so strong in nature. Pectoral major and pectoral minor is so strong in nature. Compact, elastic and spongy lungs, and heart is four chambered, and homeothermic, I mentioned, it's not changed according to that inner temperature. Migration is present. Parental care also present. After come out of that egg, it is maintained that in a um, it is maintained that in a parent in nature, and the sexes are separate, and oviparous in nature. Megalocecal and cleroic egg. Megalocecal means neutron having in a much in a leg. Cleroic means cell it is having that in a outside. Okay, வெளியில வந்து ஓடு present இருக்கும். Population internal. Okay, there's an example. You see that in an example.